benzene is called? Meta-dihydroxybenzene is called. So generally meta-dihydroxybenzene is called resorcinol. What is a resorcinol? So benzene with two OH groups. So it is OH. It is OH. Benzene with two OH groups, but position is different. It is the OH. It is the benzene with two OH groups. It is OH. It is the OH. So it is ortho position. It is a meta position. It is the para positions. So generally meta-dihydroxybenzene is called resorcinol. Meta-dihydroxybenzene, it is called resorcinol. What is a resorcinol? So then para-dihydroxybenzene is called quinol. What is a quinol? Next, ortho-hydroxybenzene is known as catechol. It is the catechol. What is the catechol? So it is ortho position, it is meta position, it is the para position. So ortho-hydroxyphenol is known as catechol. Meta-hydroxyphenol is known as resorcinol. Para-hydroxyphenol is known as quinol. So its name is, it is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So then benzene, it is the benzene 1,4 dipole. 1,4 dipole. It is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. It is a benzene. It is a benzene 1,3 dipole. It is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is a benzene, 1,2 dipole. So benzene 1,2 dipole is known as catechol. It is the catechol. Benzene 1,3 dipole is known as resorcinol. Benzene 1,4 dipole is known as quinol. So then bit number 6 is so 2-methylphenol is, so generally 2-methylphenol is, so generally phenol, this is the phenol plus methyl group. Phenol plus methyl group is known as chrysos. What is a chrysos? Phenol plus methyl groups is known as, what is a chrysos? So now generally it is phenol, it is methyl, it is a methyl. It is phenol and it is methyl. So it is ortho position, it is the meta position. So it is phenol, it is methyl, it is the para position. So the name of this compound is, it is the 1-methylphenol. It is the 1-methylphenol. What is a 1-methylphenol? 1-methylphenol. So generally first one is, what are 2-methylphenol is known as, 2-methylphenol is known as chrysos. 2-methylphenols is known as ortho. It is first carbon, it is the second carbon, it is a 2-methylphenol. It is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, it is the 3-methylphenol. 3-methylphenol. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, position. So it is orthocresol. Orthocresol. So it is the meta position. It is the metacresol. Metacresol. Ortho, meta, para. It is the para position. It is the paracresol. Paracresol. So finally, 2-methylphenol is known as orthocresol. 3-methylphenol is known as metacresol. 4-methylphenol is known as paracresol. These are the cresols. So now, next one, question number 7. Identify the Z in the following reactions. So phenol is treated with NaOH, it gives the compound X. So then X is treated with CO2 at 427 atmosphere pressure and 410 Kelvin temperature, it gives the Y. So then Y react with acid hydrolysis, it means react with H plus, it gives the Z. What is the Z of the compound in the reaction? So simply it is phenol, it is treated with NaOH, so then it gives the compound X. So then compound X in the presence of CO2 and H plus, it gives the compound Z. Compound Z. Actually this reaction is coal-based reaction. This reaction is coal-based reaction. Coal-based reaction. So what is coal-based reaction? Phenol. So now it is phenol. It is phenol treated with NaOH. Treated with NaOH. It gives the sodium phenoxide. So then it is the ONA. It is the sodium. It is the sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. So then sodium phenoxide, it is treated with CO2 in the presence of H plus. H plus, it gives the salicylic acid. It is the OH. It is COOH. COOH. It is the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. So the Z is the salicylic acid. So phenol, it is a phenol treated with sodium hydroxide, it gives the sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, it is treated with CO2 in the presence of acid member, it gives the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Now bit number 8. Bit number 8 is phenol on heating with aqueous KOH and chloroform undergoes. Phenol heated with, so then phenol, it is the phenol heated with chloroform CHCl3, heated with chloroform, and KOH and potassium hydroxide, or simply it is NaOH. Both are the alkalis. Both are alkalis. So now this reaction is known as, what is this reaction? So generally this reaction is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. It is the Riemann-Tiemann. It is a Riemann-Tiemann reaction. It is a Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So now bit number 9 is electrophilic substitution in phenol takes place at ortho and para positions, meta positions, ortho position only, para position only. So now electrophilic substitution reactions in phenol takes place. So then electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at ortho and para positions. So now phenol, so that is, it is the phenol, it is OH, it is ortho position and meta position. So electrophilic substitution reactions takes place. So generally it is ortho position, so it is the para positions. Topic number 10 is, which of the following has the least value of pKa? It is the least value of pKa. So simply least value of pKa means it is more acidic in nature. So generally pKa value is inversely proportional to Ka value and also inversely proportional to acidic nature. So simply pKa is inversely proportional to Ka values as well as inversely proportional to acidic nature. So according to options, so first option is phenol. It is OH. Now second option is orthonitrophenol. So it is the orthonitrophenol. Third option is paracresol. It is the paracresol. So it is the paracresol. And now fourth option is the paranitrophenol. So it is the paranitrophenol. So generally pKa values is less in what is paranitrophenol, because if the NO2 group is present at para position or what is ortho position, so like that it is ortho position, it is para position. So in these two having less pKa values, comparatively second option, fourth option is the very least pKa value, because it is slightly more acidic in nature. Slightly it is more acidic in nature. So more acidic in nature means its Ka value is more. So automatically pKa value is least. So now bit number 11 is, so in this assertion and reasoning is given. What is assertion? Phenols are more acidic than alcohols. So it is assertion, phenols, it is OH. Phenols are greater acidic than alcohols. So it is the ROH. So then reasoning is, what is the reasoning? Phenoxide ion is more stable than alkoxide. So generally phenoxide means it is RO minus. It is more stable than alkoxide, RNA. So then according to both are true, both are true. R is the correct explanation of the, because phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Phenoxide is the more stable than alkoxides. So it is the alkoxide. Alkoxide. It is the phenoxide. It is the